Hi guys, welcome back to the MBA podcast. I have Sohini with me. Sohini is from SIDTM by the way, and काफी inspiring story इनका. Cat मेरे ख्याल से अच्छा नहीं गया था, Zad भी अच्छा नहीं गया था, and then Snap में she scored 86 percentile, but finally she's placed as a PPO in Accenture, and जो average salary है that is close to baby IIMs का, rather new IIMs का average package. So बहुत बड़ा जर्नी रहा यार तुम्हारा 86 percentile कहाँ पे और new IIMs का level का average package लेना. How did this happen? Can you explain thoda sa your background and how your college helped you to get this?
Hi, I'm Shohini. I have done my BTech in IT. After that, I was working with Cognizant as a Salesforce developer for 2.5 years.
Okay.
And then I joined SIDTM. So this journey from 86 percentile to making into my dream company and
that's Accenture IT, no?
Yes.
Acha. Okay. Okay.
And the role is it's senior business analyst, mostly.
Senior business analyst.
Senior.
Good. Good.
And the domain is fintech domain.
Nice.
So mostly this journey, like throughout the journey, SIDTM played a very important role. Basically, they give the platform to showcase the talent, and also not only the platform, they shaped us, like the holistical development, being a personality perspective, the curriculum. So all of these things help to meditate.
One question. जब cat सही नहीं गया, फिर आपने Zad लिखा. Zad में you had round about 73%, which could have faced a call from KG Soma, Wellington as well, right?
Yes.
Also आपने जब Snap लिखा था, you converted SIIB and SIB in Bangalore. So you left. Even these are really good colleges. They're equally good colleges. Then what made you to choose SIDTM over and above these brands?
So mostly talking about symbiosis. So with SIIB and SIBM Bangalore, I was getting this huge brand symbiosis. But then SIDTM is having a very key like the technology part in the curriculum. So like today, be it in any domain you go in the industry, it's marketing, finance, everywhere the technology is mandatory. So I thought this will make me more aligned like with my aspirations and whatever I'm going to do in the industry, this curriculum will help me over other symbiosis colleges. And talking about KJ Venga, I got calls from both, but what I felt is here batch size is very less.
What's the batch size?
Here it's 150.
150. That's the huge advantage, by the way.
Yes. So here the competition gets very lesser in terms of other, and the average package here.
नहीं competition तो होगा पक्का, मतलब because all brains here are really good, but it is that कि आप भीड़ में नहीं हो.
Exactly.
You know जैसे हम NIIMs के बारे में बात करते हैं, multiple campuses है, वहाँ पे 500, 600, 400 बच्चे हैं. यहाँ पे आपको कहीं ना कहीं पता है कि अगर आपको प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है तो आपको एक क्वालिटी प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा, है ना? सो आई थिंक दैट वाज वेरी वेल थॉट यार. तुम हमारे ही बच्चे हो ना, देखो हमारे बच्चे सब स्मार्ट होते हैं, ऐसे एकदम रिसर्च वगैरह करके आते हैं. बाय द वे शी वाज स्टूडेंट विद C2C एंड उन्होंने हमारा अपना स्नैप का भी पढ़े हमारे साथ करा, एंड शी आल्सो डिड उसका पूरा GDPI का अभी हमारे साथ, एंड आई थिंक GDPI में 40 प्लस शी गॉट ना.
Yeah, 42.
42. सो ना दो चीज़ें होती है, कैट का सॉरी स्नैप का वेटेज इज 50% एंड GDPI का वेटेज इज 50%. सो 50% में से आप 42 तो आप लेके आए, मतलब अपने फाड़ के रखते हैं अच्छा खासा एकदम. Cool. Let's go back to your role. Senior business analyst, fintech. That's a techno management role.
Yes.
Can you give a little idea about techno management role?
Okay. So here, as I was working already in the IT industry, but in a developer side. So this techno management role is basically working with like using your technical knowledge and putting into the business thought together. And how this technology and business working hand in hand, that like that application in the business is that technology role. And today, like in every industry we see the technology is embedded in all domains.
एक्चुअली ना एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है बच्चों का कि बच्चों को लगता है कि जो IT वाला जो चीज़ है ना वो सिर्फ इंजीनियर्स के लिए होता है. बट अगर हम बात करेंगे तुम्हारे टेक के बारे में, सो टेक इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशन. It's just not about marketing, finance, you know, and international business or HR. Technical भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, and techno manager के रूल्स तो काफ़ी अच्छा है, मतलब बहुत सही पैकेज भी मिलता है, अच्छी कंपनीज भी मिलती है. Okay, so couple of questions more. जब 86% आया, रात्र ठीक है, let's talk about Snap क्यों दिया? What was the reason to opt for Snap?
So
एनमेट दिया था?
Yeah,
अच्छा
So
अच्छा okay.
usually what happens now, the level of difficulty of snap is lesser
हाँ
with respect to cat.
हाँ
So
हाँ with
as-
respect to cat, yes, I agree. Yes.
So as I was working as a professional, so I didn't have a lot of time.
हाँ
So there, Snap played a very important role to get this brand value, like the symbols.
सिम्बाइसिस का ब्रांड वैल्यू इज एब्सोल्युटली अनबीटेबल. मतलब तुम किसी भी कॉलेज में जाओ सिम्बी के, अगर वो सिम्बी लगाए ना तुम्हारे नाम पे, इट्स गोना गिव यू लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन लाइफ. तो वो एक चीज़ है ना जो आपको देखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एंड अगेन आई विल नॉट डू द ब्रांड कंपैरिजन, बट यस सिम्बी हैज हिज ओन स्वीट स्पॉट, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट. सो यू वर गनिंग फॉर सिम्बाइसिस एज अ ब्रांड. एक चीज़ मुझे पूछनी थी फटाफट. 86 पे तुझे लगा था कि यू विल लैंड इन अ बी स्कूल जहाँ से तुझे एक ऐसे लेवल का काइंड ऑफ प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा which will be at par with new IIMs का average? Did you think about it?
I never thought. But yeah, I aspired for always that wherever I go, I'll try to give my best, and there I'll be, like top 10% people, 5 or 10% people, and here also to get that place. So even if you start in a like college tier 2 level, but then there your performance, like for me, my individual performance have made the difference.
So do not judge yourself on the percentile basis, because MBA is a lot about your academics and probably अच्छा खासा placement लेना. And I hope Sidhu was helpful यार.
Yeah, it was very much helpful for me, like to utilize that proper time in that streamlined way.
एक महीना पढ़ा ना तुम?
एक महीना.
Not bad, not bad. एक महीने में कहाँ का कहाँ पैकेज मिल गया. Cool है. Thank you so very much, Sohini. Wish you all the very best and good luck for your future interviews. And guys, stay tuned to Sidhu Mentors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.